Cue the future. In 2024, these 10 robotic startups are set to revolutionize the game. First, Boston Dynamics, renowned for their agile robots, are pushing boundaries further. Second, OpenAI, a titan in artificial intelligence, is stepping onto the robotics stage. Third, Soft Robotics, mastering the art of robotic grippers that mimic the dexterity of a human hand. Fourth, Embodied Intelligence is creating systems that enable robots to learn and adapt through physical interactions. Fifth, Skydio is transforming the drone industry with autonomous flying machines. Sixth, Agility Robotics, with humanoid robots, is redefining logistics and delivery. Seventh, Misty Robotics is on a mission to make robots accessible and customizable. Eighth, Kinema Systems is enhancing the perception and decision-making capabilities of industrial robots. Ninth, Covariant combines artificial intelligence with robotic manipulation. 10th, Real-time Robotics is addressing the challenge of reaction time in robotics. These startups are not just shaping the future of robotics, they're paving the way for a new era of possibilities. So stay tuned for 2024.